Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made just a crazy bullish move to the upside. I mean, I think at one point the price was there, and then by the time the closing bell rolled around, the price was all the way there. So I'm assuming and hoping that everybody's rational, because any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. But that brings about the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type thing? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area right here at the $1.45 mark. Why is $1.45 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.45. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart that it broke, that it had dropped down into and then broke back out of. And again, going back to the areas that you just broke out of, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows right there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, then you'd have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am defining and quantifying make progress as that $1.45 area. What about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. I'm not sure if it hit it exactly today. Nope, but close. Right up at $1.65, a high of looks like 164. So $1.65 will be a key level of resistance going into next week. But anyway, sliced it. Crazy move today and a very, very nice bounce on the bulls' part. Now it's just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.